Measurement. Look at the picture. Read, measure and answer. We see a pencil. We are going to measure it with a nail. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many nails will be used to measure the pencil? The pencil is 4 nails tall. How many beads tall is the paper glass? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The paper glass is 10 beads tall. How many ice cream sticks long is the ribbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The ribbon is 5 ice cream sticks long.